Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to define the default logging level and default queue for batch jobs. First, let's define the default logging level. Currently, you have to define the logging level each time you submit a job if you want a logging level different from the system default. With Tools Release 926, you can change the default report logging level and set the UB logging level for specific users, role, versions, environments, and reports. For this tutorial, we'll use the job R0006B. With no defined logging level, the job runs with the logging level set in the server manager, which in this case is only JD log generation. Now, we will define a logging level for R0006B. To define a default logging level, access the Work with Default Location program P98617. Select Report Logging from the form exit to access Work with Default Report Logging options. You can see the list of records with information about logging, tracing, and UB logging level. Please note that this setting will not override the logging level defined in the Server Manager and can only increase that level. Click Add to create a new record. Select the user or role for the report. Enter the report for which you want to set the logging level. We will enter R0006B. You can enter *all to apply the level to all the reports. Select the version for the logging level. If the value in the report name field is *all, the system populates the version name field with the default value of *all and makes the field unavailable for subsequent modification. The environment field is auto-populated based on the environment that you are currently logged onto. Enter *all to apply the logging level to all the environments or enter a specific environment. Select Logging or Tracing as the default report logging option. If you select Tracing, logging is automatically selected. Enter a value from 0 through 6 to indicate the level of detail to be captured in the logs. We will enter 4 here. Or click the Visual Assist to open the Select User-Defined Code window where you can see the descriptions of the values. Select the appropriate value and click Select. Enter *all to use default logging level for all the hosts in your environment. Change the status to active to activate the logging level. Let us now submit the job. After you submit it, you can use the row exit to access the logs. The report is generated with the UB-debug logging level defined. We can check the report to verify that the logs are captured according to the defined logging level. Please note that the logging level of a child UB cannot go lower than the parent UB. However, you can increase the logging level of the child UB. Now I'll show you how to define default job queues. This enhancement enables you to set default queues in which you want a job to run. Similar to the default logging level, the default job queue can also be configured for a specific user, version, environment, and host. Let us see the job R0006B, which we submitted earlier, runs in which queue. We can see that it ran in SBatch. Now, we can define the default job queue without using the override job queue option. To define the default job queue, access the Work with Default Location program P98617. Select Job Queue from the form exit to access Work with Default Report Job Queues. You can see the list of records with information about the default report job queue. Click Add to create a new record. Define the user for the default report job queue. Enter the report for which you want to define default report job queue. We will enter R0006B. You can enter *all to apply the default queue to all the reports. Please note that child reports do not use the *all entry if they do not have a specific override. They instead inherit the setting of the parent report. Select the version of the default report queue. If the value in the report name field is *all, the system populates the version name field with the default value of *all and makes the field unavailable for subsequent modification. The environment field is auto-populated based on the environment that you are currently logged onto. Enter *all to apply the default queue to all the environments or enter a specific environment. Click the Visual Assist to open Job Queue Search and select. Select the default queue in which you want to run the report. We will select queue batch. Enter the name of the host server where reports will be processed. The Visual Assist displays the appropriate host names based on the default report job queue you select. To use this default report job queue for all the hosts in your environment, enter *all. Change the status to active to activate the default queue. Let us submit the job now. You can see the job runs in queue batch as you defined earlier. Please note that a child job will run in the parent job queue if you called a child job with a synchronous report interconnect. However, if a parent job calls a child job with an asynchronous report interconnect, it can be mapped to any queue. For more information on logging level and job queues, access the administration guide from Oracle Help Center. Thanks for watching.